welcome to the demo video for Group 1. We are Uncle Dullah Zuckerberg, a group consisting of myself, Abdullah Ali, Jeffrey Mamabalo, Sachin Mohan, and Ahmed Nanabai. We have created a digital recipe book and meal planner app. I will now walk you through some of the business rules which are also showcased in our entity relationship diagram. So the first one is that a user and a recipe relationship, a user can post multiple recipes, but a recipe must be posted by a single user. The recipe and ingredient relationship, a recipe can include multiple ingredients and an ingredient can be part of multiple recipes. User and comment relationship, a user can post multiple comments on a recipe, however a comment must be posted by a single user. Recipe and comment relationship, a recipe can have multiple comments from users, but a comment must be associated with a single recipe. User and friend relationship, a user can have multiple friends, and a friend relationship must involve two users, user ID 1 and user ID 2. User and meal plan relationship, a user can create multiple meal plans, however a meal plan must be created by a single user. The recipe and meal plan relationship, a meal plan can include multiple recipes and a recipe can be part of multiple meal plans. I will now walk you through a user registering an account on our app. This is the home page. A user can click on sign up now to register an account, which will bring them to this page where they can enter their details. I already have an account. So once the user has an account, they can click here to log in. So let's log in. Once we enter our password, we enter login. As you can see, it gives you the notification to say login successful. Here we have the home page where we can see multiple recipes posted by other users. Okay? Each recipe has its own comments which we can view. We can add a comment to say, for example, great meal, as well as add a rating for that. So this one I'll give it 5 stars. Once I've posted a comment, I can then view it. So if I go here and I say view, I can see that it displays great meal and a rating of 5.
Hi, I'm Mamabalo Jeffrey Rulani. I'm gonna take you through from where Abdullah Ali left. I'll take you through our search feature. Let's say we wanna search for a recipe with certain title. Let's say our title recipe is chicken stir fry. So yeah, this is the recipe these are all ingredients and instruction for recipes for cooking chicken stir fry. Okay? Let's say now we wanna search for recipes with certain ingredients. We're gonna say milk and eggs. So these are all recipes that has ingredients eggs and milk. So you can choose from here. Okay? And we have another feature here whereby you check recipes which our friends like. And these are all the recipes our friends like.